Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create elevations and how to create new floors. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to go to the elevations, click any view. I am going to go to the south view. So to start off, you'll see that we have level 1 and level 2 already in here as default, and our grid lines that we made in our last video have already shown up automatically. And well, if you notice from the drawings that you should have, these floors should actually be 12 feet apart and not 10. So first thing we're going to do is click on this. Control Z if you make a little mistake there. But click on the line, maybe a little dimension will pop up somewhere. Click on that, type in 12 feet, and just as easy as that, the second level is now 12 feet high. And depending on the project, it can either be maybe the 10-foot high building or 37, however high it is. It's the same process for creating new floors. So we just start by clicking the first floor, then you're going to press and hold Control, click the second floor. All that does is let you click multiple things at once. So next, after that, you're going to go to Modify. Wait, actually I'm going to do this a different way. So instead I'm going to click just the second floor, and I'm going to want to make it into an array like we did with the grid lines. Now that I've clicked that, and in this file I'm just going to show you how to do it for 10 stories, or 9 since we already have the first floor, but it'll be 10 stories. I'm going to click anywhere, maybe at this grid line. I want 12 feet. Click enter, and just like that, I now have all of these floors right here, ready to go, and it automatically labels them level 3, 4, 5, has all of the dimensions and elevations right there, which is great. But you notice that these are black and these down here are blue. What that means is they are not active floors yet, because if you look at the structural plans, you'll see level 1, level 2 means you can go to them, but right now with these, you can't. And so in order to make them into floors, well, the first thing we're going to do is ungroup all of these. You can also do the same thing with the floors. If you don't want to ungroup them, you can just do copy and paste. That'll work just as well. You can use any method as long as you get all these floors up there. It really doesn't matter which way you do it. I just prefer to use arrays personally. So now that they're all ungrouped, I could click the floor, and I could go to structural plan, or where is it? Yeah, I mean in the view tab, go to plan views, click structural plan, save the project. Level 3, shift and click down to level 10. That'll just select all of them. Click OK. And there we go. Now you see right here we have levels 3 through 10. All of them are ready to be open, ready to be used. If we go back to the south view, you'll see that they'll all be blue now. And now they're all active views that you can use. And that is in, if you want to, make this view more clear, you can click on these grid lines, move the dot up, I could bring these in, and there you go. So that is how you create new floors in Revit.